The main charge against Mr. Puigdemont, Mr. Comín, and Ms. Ponsatí is of sedition. The charge of sedition implies the use of violence and carries very heavy sentences of up to 15 years. This is the charge applied by the Spanish Supreme Court in October 2019, with sentences ranging from 9 to 13 years in jail to their former government colleagues and 2 social leaders. The existence of the crime of sedition in the Spanish Criminal Code, a loosely defined crime which punishes public disorders with very severe penalties, is a remnant of the past and an anomaly in the EU. The Spanish Minister of Justice himself recently called it a 19th century crime. The crime sedition does not exist in many member states. It does not exist in Germany, France, Italy, and Belgium. And while it still exists in Ireland, it was last applied in 1901. The criminal offenses which exist in member states, other than Spain, that might be analogous to sedition, are associated with substantially shorter prison terms. It is worth noting that the jury committee has previously argued that immunity should not be lifted when the alleged act is regarded as a criminal offense only in the state requesting the immunity waiver, or when it carries less severe penalties in the laws of other member states. Protect the European Parliament. Protect their immunity.